Hello all, in this fifth series we are going to see about Richard Ebright's furthermore the research work what he had done. So in this video we are going to see the X-ray photos of chemical structure of a hormone. So Richard Ebright he studied the photos of the chemical structure of a hormone in the X-ray. So this photo it solved his doubt on DNA. So he determined that the DNA is the substance in the nucleus that controls the hereditary. Okay, so he said that DNA was established to be the blueprint for life, in the sense for the monarch butterflies. So I would like to repeat it again. He studied the photos of the chemical structure of a hormone in the X-ray, and this photo, whatever he had been displayed, it solves his doubt on DNA. So he determined that the DNA is the substance in the nucleus that controls the heredity. So DNA was established to be the blueprint of the life of the monarch butterflies. So next, when we go again, going back to the making of a scientist. So now let's see what is the accomplishments of Richard Ebright. So now Richard Ebright became, a scientist where he had reached his destination, the professional being a scientist, because he had a driving curiosity. In the beginning we told inquisitiveness towards the hard work and the curiosity what he had. So he had a driving curiosity along with the bright mind. He had the acceptancy and he was ready to accept everything and learn many new things. He never felt for his loss. Okay, next he started his journey from collecting the butterflies. So this led him to discover the theory of life cells. He was not just interested in science, he took interest in other activities. So we thought that being a scientist he would like only doing research work and being knowing many new things, exploring it and then publicizing it. It is not so. He was an all-rounder. He was good in all the field. Now for example, there are many qualities which goes into being a scientist. For example, first, as we said, he was very curious, eagerly learner, and he was very dedicated, and he showed his full dedication and he was working hard. So he was very much competitive, but not in a bad sense. In the sense, wherever he goes, he have to get the prize he should achieve. It was not so. His mind was to learn many things from the other people. So always. Another thing which we could appreciate is he had a will to win. So only when you have that hard working and curiosity and when you have the confidence, you will have the will to win. So he had that quality. So he was very intelligent. Without being intelligent, it is not possible, to have such a successful life. So he worked for the right reasons. He knew for what he should work, how much he should work. So he worked for the right reasons. And wherever he goes, he did not he didn't run after prizes. He was just to learn many new things. So we could see there is a slide which shows the entire life cycle of a butterfly, in the sense from it comes from the egg and then to caterpillar, and again from the caterpillar it comes to pupae and then to the adult, and then goes to the the colorful butterflies where again it lays egg. So this life cycle he was just going with. Okay, and then we could see in this slide the different how from the beginning the life cycle, in the sense from the egg to the caterpillar to the pupa till the adult, how it grows. You could see in this slide. So here you could see a beautiful butterfly with so many scales, and it has got so many golden spots, and for what it has been, it is not as an ornamental purpose, it is to secrete the hormones. Okay, and he spoke about the two different types of butterflies, monarch, and which were very much similar and which used to pretend to be away from the birds. So this you could see, and this is the book which he got it as gift from his mother. It is not only a gift his mother had got for him to learn many things, and the author of this book is, I think you could recall and say it is Dr. Urquhart. So the title of this book is The Travels of Monarch X. So which Richard Ebright, for him it showed the entire life, entire world, the full opened his new world of science. Okay. So here comes the butterfly, which he could tag and he could find, like, in order to do his research. So this is